Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted space for honest, practical reviews and the best picks across categories. In today's episode, we're diving into what we confidently call the best metal craft rings available online, the Patelai 20 PCs metal rings for crafts. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, macrame hobbyist, dreamcatcher designer, or just love to work with your hands, this product is designed to elevate your creative game. Let's begin by opening up the pack. What you get inside is a collection of 20 high-quality metal rings in a stunning silver finish. They're sleek, shiny, and smooth to the touch. The build quality is instantly noticeable, solid yet lightweight, and every ring feels sturdy, thanks to its 3mm thickness. These aren't the kind of craft rings that will bend or lose shape on you. Patelai has clearly paid attention to durability here, which is essential for any lasting craft project. Now, the standout feature is the variety and size. In one package, you get rings in 5 different diameters: 5 cm, 7.5 cm, 10 cm, 13 cm, and 15 cm. You could design a cascading dreamcatcher, layer your macrame designs, or create floral wall art with multi-dimensional depth, all using a single pack. Let's talk about application. The Patelai rings are designed for versatility. They work beautifully for dream catchers, macrame hangings, wedding wreaths, and even custom plant hangers. Whether you're using cotton rope, yarn, lace, or fabric strips, these rings are compatible with a wide range of materials. They also serve well as base frames for lightweight sculptures or handmade mobiles. One clever use we saw was wrapping these rings with colorful threads or wires to create a themed palette. That's especially useful for seasonal decor. Imagine a silver and blue wrap set for winter, or gold and green for festive decor. The base silver finish allows for endless customization without clashing. For those getting into craft selling or gifting handmade items, presentation matters. These rings elevate your design from DIY to artisan, just by how clean and polished they look when finished. Their uniform shape ensures your projects look symmetrical and professional. We also tested the product across different mediums. It worked well with ribbons, hot glue, and even heavier embellishments like artificial flowers. The rings held up beautifully and didn't warp or shift even under mild pressure. That's key if you're planning to hang your art long-term or sell your work. While the product name mentions 20 pieces, keep in mind this listing also offers a 40-piece option if you need more for bulk projects or group workshops. That makes it a great choice for craft teachers or Etsy shop owners who want consistency and quality at scale. To wrap up, the Patelai metal rings offer what most craft products don't: simplicity with substance. They're affordable, multi-purpose, strong, and elegantly finished. Whether you're a beginner testing out macrame for the first time, or a seasoned pro with a creative portfolio, these rings won't disappoint. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more of the best in DIY tools and supplies, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And if you've made something cool with these rings, drop us a comment and show off your creativity. See you in the next one.